Okay, before we jump right in and do some classwork, I want to introduce SOL Standard A2, Performing Operations on Polynomials. The standard states that the student will perform operations on polynomials, including applying the laws of exponents, adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing polynomials, and factoring polynomials and trinomials. And what we're going to do first is just get familiar with some of the terms and then start applying a few of the laws of the exponents. Terms. Okay, our first term is term. Algebraically speaking, the term is part of an expression that is separated by a plus or minus sign. So if you look at this expression right here, you can see 4 terms. This expression is known as a polynomial. It's an algebraic expression containing 2 or more terms. And as we stated, this one would have 4 terms. A binomial is 2 terms. The 3x squared is 1 term, and then the positive 6 is the second term. But you can see they are separated by the plus sign. And then, of course, a trinomial is 3 terms. So you think of a tricycle, 3 wheels. Trinomial, 3 terms. 2x squared plus 6x minus 20 would be a trinomial. Okay, quickly, laws of exponents. When you multiply powers of the same number, you add the exponents. So here we have 2 variables that are the same, or 2 terms that have the same variable, b. So you can combine these terms. B squared times b to the 4th power would be b2 plus 4, which would then be b to the 6th power. When dividing powers of the same number, you subtract exponents. C to the 4th power divided by c squared equals c squared. 4 minus 2, c squared. Okay, have a quick question for you. How do you represent exponents in the TI-84 calculator? For squares, you would use the x square button, and for other terms, you can use the caret that you can see right to the left of the numbers. The caret button on the TI-84 is on the right-hand side, right below clear. And so you would put your number in first, and then you would put the caret, and then you would put whatever the exponent is. And for time's sake, we will do these after we cover a couple more laws of exponents. Okay, any number to the power of 1 is always equal to itself. So b to the 1st power would be b. 4 to the 1st power would be 4. Any number that you have is always going to be the number itself. Any number to the power of 0 equals 1. b to the 0 power is going to be 1. 4 to the 0 power is going to be 1. 972,000 to the 0 power is going to be 1. To raise a power to a power, you multiply the exponents. So let me show you what I mean. Here you see b squared cubed. So what you do is you have b squared times b squared times b squared, which is going to add all these 3 together, but it's actually b squared 2 times 3, so b to the 6th power. All right, I'm going to stop the lesson here so we can crunch some numbers.